What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I want to give a huge shout out to Armadillo Tech that sent me out the Galaxy S10 cases. As you know, the Galaxy S10 is getting unveiled on the 20th of next month, but I got the cases on deck, exclusive, right here. But y'all got to see this, all the cases, and I have some small ones and big ones for the different size of Galaxy S10s that's coming out. But yes, here we go. Galaxy S10. I'm going to the event, guys, so follow the YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to get full in-depth coverage of the Galaxy S10. So look at that case. See how the difference is. Some small and some big. I want to give a huge shout out to them for sending me out all these lovely cases for the Galaxy S10. So there it is. Galaxy S10 on deck. Boom.